Good morning, YouTubers. I thought it would be fun to break from always doing food all the time to give you a behind the scenes look like no other YouTube channel I've seen do. I think it's fun. I think it's real, and it is me, and it is my life. So here we go. A day in Jeanine's life. When I wake up, it's the first thing I see. The beautiful view out my bedroom window, Pompano Beach, Florida. It's gorgeous. Now here's the clutter surrounding it that used to not be here. I have clothes everywhere. I'm not a dirty person. I'm not a messy person, but for some reason, so involved in the channel that I'm just a mess. That's our light. I have nowhere to store it. I used to have a nice bedroom once upon a time, and that's my new little setup because we've changed. Santa got me a new computer, so now I have my old one back in my bedroom. So here we go. I'm not going to take you through the boring details. I brush my teeth, I change my clothes, I wash, I do all of that, and then I come out to this little mess. We're in the middle of getting rid of Christmas right now. I start slowly, and you'll see I still have the thing that held the wreath, but the wreath is gone, and any Christmas stuff there. Table's back to normal, plus the turning table, which now I think I'm going to use a lot. So I left it there. I have nowhere else to put it. Okay, so now here we go. Come into my lovely kitchen that you see in every direction, every corner I could cook from because I enjoy it. It's a blast. This used to be neat. It used to be a candy center, a snack center. Now it's, I don't know what I want to be center. And I have notes and I have dish towels and all that junk. Here's my new setup. I have a big monitor. I have my new computer. I have my keyboard. I have some recipes, and I think that one's going to be going up soon because I have some good meat in the fridge. And here's the mess. Look, two glasses. Like I don't, one pair's not enough. You always see me touching my face with my glasses because my eyesight is getting worse and worse by the years. And here's the mess. Yesterday's lunch bread. Waste not, want not. I don't want to waste anything. So I start my day already figuring what I have to store away and freeze. That's going to be cut up into crouton sizes, and I'll use that for croutons, for bread and meatballs and such because it doesn't last. We went to Costco yesterday and they only sold a 2 loaf pack. So that's what I'm stuck with after two little sandwiches. Here's my cookbook. Our new coffee maker. Santa was very kind to us this year. Daddy wanted a coffee maker for cappuccino and lattes, so we're doing those. First thing I do is get myself some coffee so I can breathe. Let me take that sip now, and then I'll tell you one more little piece of my haphazard life here. Here's the living room. I won't even, well, let me come over there and show you. This used to be a nice bar, right? You saw it before holidays. It was neat. Now it has empty boxes. It has the induction I started to cook with, the butane gas thing that was a mess up. Here's some gifts that still have to get delivered. Santa on his way up to the storage closet because he's got to go. He had a leading role in a video this year. Here's more stuff that has to get packed away. See, filling my hallway already. All this junk has to go put away for the holidays so that I can have my house back. The tray is the monster that has to get disassembled today. As Vinny bought the box, oddly and crazy, we have this in a storage at another location where we look at the size of the box. I mean, I have no way to put this here. This is just a 2 bedroom condo. Now let's go. Oh no, look, see, I don't want to miss the good stuff. See the wires? My husband, Vinny, I have no idea what he's doing over there. He was playing with his, he got a new computer yesterday at Costco. That was the whole trip. He snuck me to go there thinking I was getting food, and he got a laptop, and that's his monitor. This is where the real editing happens. I don't really do any of that on mine, like I said in the video last night. That's hilarious. I don't edit. I have enough to do with cooking and remember what I'm going to say because I try not to edit. I always tell people real food, real time because I like to keep it live if I can. It's the 80% live, my videos. And look at this one here. She gets breakfast first before anybody eats. Tallulah Bell, Miss Millie. Millie, would you like to say hello to everybody? Good morning. Did you have chicken for breakfast? Yes, I did, Mom. It's delicious, and now I'd like to rest, please. So take your camera and your YouTube people away from me. I love you. You winking at Mama? That's my bookcase. 80% of those are all cookbooks, and then there's more here, and then under here, because right now these tables are doubled up. They don't normally belong there together. This goes back where the tree is, see? My cookbook's there. And then let's just show you this. I'm sorry for swinging and swaying. Back to me. It's all more books and books and books. I'd say 80% of my collection is cookbooks because that's my passion, obviously. I'd love to get into this one. Yeah, right. Weight Watchers chicken. I just put the fried chicken on the cover of a Weight Watchers cookbook. I'm in. That sounded good to me. And here's the shady beach today. It's yucky. It's been bad weather for a good amount of time this week. I don't know if I'm ever going to get tan. I would love to come on camera and cook something springish or summerish with a suntan. It's not going to happen. So this is my task for the day, and it doesn't stop there because I will be cooking. Look at the dates. When I say real food, real time, you'll see I took the tree down today, and then by mid-afternoon, I'll be cooking a YouTube dinner. I'll see you guys later. I love you all. Bye.